Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a very quick tip of how to measure angles with precision. So I'm going to make a house that I want to have a rooftop with a 45-degree slope, and the problem is here, how do I know how to move it up? So basically the idea would be it would look like something like this, where I select this and I move it up like this, and I want this to be at a certain angle. So there is an easy way that I can kind of what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two edges, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to rotate these edges around this point by a 45-degree angle. So I'm going to rotate it around this point over here. Let me just snap to this point, and let's rotate it by minus 45 degree. So this is now a 45-degree angle. So I've seen some other people, what they do, basically in other software so on, they will kind of take this and move it up in a way where they visualize it until it intersects with this line. But it's almost perfect, but it's not perfect because if you zoom in, it's very difficult to get it the exactly. Maybe I got it exact because I have over here step size at 1, and if this is a perfect number, it's easier to snap. But not always that will be the case. Um, so I want to show a way how you can actually make it with precision without a problem. In this case, I actually did snap to the exact location. I know the 150 is the size. Well, I'll show you in a minute how I know that. So I'm going to undo this, and I'll show you a way how you can do it a much easier way. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select this edge as well, and I'm going to copy that. You can do the same with the drawing, but in this case, since I already have an edge, it's easier. I don't have to draw. And I'm going to scale this up. Doesn't matter how much, as long as it intersects over here. And then I select these two lines, and I'm going to merge them. I use the combine option, and combine I use merge, and I use the cut intersection must be on, so this will add a vertex over here. So if you look over here, it added this vertex. So all I'm interested in this vertex, and I look at this position, and this is 150y. So now I know, you've seen before already, that 150 basically will do it. So if I take this and I select these, and I simply move it, type in 150, 150, and this is basically it. Now, how do I know this is a 45-degree angle? I can basically measure it. I can measure this angle going over here is a 45-degree angle. So let's go to measurements, and if I measure, let's say from here to here, and here, you can see this is a 45-degree angle. If you want to know the measurement from this direction, basically, can measure from here to here, and this is 315, okay, which is the same idea as 45-degree angle. So it's a 45-degree angle here also. And just to show you that once we have this cut intersection, you can actually start cutting away pieces. This is just in general idea how it works in SelfCAD. So you can just kind of select this and cut this out, and then you can use these pieces for other stuff, whatever needs to be done. So that's a quick tip. The other thing here is that look at this. This is a quad, and it's just a bended quad. So if you want to add these details over here, you just need to add this line. I can go to draw to, not this one, I have to select the house. Okay, so I select this one, and I go to edit details, and in edit details, I can draw a line from this point to this point over here, and you can see this adds this nice edge because it provides a triangle here that is needed to cut this out. And that's basically it. A short tip. Let me know if that was helpful. Thank you.